giving me wind and rain.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog we are just settling. This is our settling in vlog. So this kitchen was giving me headache. Look at it. Look at how it was. Everything was here and there. Guys, moving out and moving in is not an easy thing, especially and when you're expectant or you're pregnant. It's so hard. And then you're still pregnant and you want to do the things your own way, so you need just to do them by yourself, and at the same time you go to work and home making and everything. So I took my time, I did them part by part, day by day. The day that I'm not okay, I'm not doing, because there was no pressure. Anyway, I want to clean all these dishes, everything in this kitchen, then we'll organize it. Yeah, thank you so much for clicking in. If you're new here, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment for your girl. Yeah, guys, so enjoy the video.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 to me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist.
I'm done cleaning. This is my tea. Don't mind this. And I'm done wiping what need to be wiped. Here, some plates. I don't have many plates. And here are some plates. Yeah, guys. And my sis is doing the climbing part of it. So let her clean and then we organize the upper cabinet.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Guys, so this is the following day. Yesterday I did the kitchen cleaning and organization, and today I want to continue with settling down. But the main reason why I'm introducing this video, the plumber is coming and it is in his way. He's almost here. Actually, he has just called. That's why I decided to introduce this video. I want him, when he comes, to install my washing machine. We really have lots of laundry. It's piling up and I don't want us to pile so many because the balcony is small. It can't accommodate a lot. So I want him, when he comes, he'll install the washing machine, and also I want him, he'll help me to mount the TV up, because he told me can also do that. I want to mount my TV up, and also my bed is not yet connected because I didn't have those tools, and my brother alone can't connect it. You know, your girl can't do such things nowadays. Yeah, guys, so let me go pick him. He's just downstairs. So guys, I'm done folding and organizing these ones, and then I still have some beddings which are still in the suitcase. I want to organize the clothes first, and then I'll organize the beddings. So these are the ones I'm going to hang, and some are there, and those are the ones that I'm going to put. There's some which are still in the suitcase. I'll remove them as I organize them. These were the ones which were in the sack, and some of them were tied in this bed sheet. So these ones, and these ones, I'm going to keep them. I'll give them to Mali. Yeah, we no longer wear them. So yeah, that's it, guys. So let me organize, and we'll see how it is organized. If you've watched this video until this point, thank you so much for your support. For my gang, karibuni sana, and thank you so much. The new one, welcome. Stay at home. We got lots of video coming. I think my next video will now start doing the pregnancy series now because we've settled. But guys, there is a story in that pregnancy series which had just come up. I don't know whether to share it out or I still hold on. I wanted to share it out when I was organizing, because you can realize I didn't finish showing the final look because I ended my organization at that point. But one day when I'll be strong enough, I'll share what happened, guys. I'm currently low and I'm just trying my best. I just want to keep memories and document my life and keep them here with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are not like the video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's meet in another video.